Hello students, this is Sushil Misra and I am today here with new topic, that is real number chapter 1 class 10 subject mathematics book NCERT of course. And today I am shooting at late night, so there may be some light reflection problem, so please cooperate and focus here. We are going to study very nicely and very deeply with all the concepts, so please focus here. So first of all, before starting the chapter, let's have a discussion what we are going to study in this chapter, what are the topics. Very fastly we will discuss, don't worry. So as you know, you can see the topic is what? Real number. In this, first of all, very first topic, we are going to discuss about division lemma, Euclid division lemma. Okay, you maybe do Euclid's division lemma, then Euclid's division algorithm, then the third part is what we will study here, so that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 2q plus 1, 2q plus 3 are positive or even or odd integers. So I'm very short I'm writing, okay, this is not a topic, these are the sums in your chapter based on this, based on division lemma and division algorithm. And here so that root 2, root 3 or root 3 plus 1 are irrational number. And the last one more topic, very last, it is given that terminating and non-terminating. Terminating and non-terminating in short only rational number. Okay, so these are the basic 5 topics are here which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So don't be worry, I am here to teach you, so please focus here. And we will start with the very first topic, that is division lemma, that is Euclid division lemma. So focus here, let us see what is lemma. So here it is written, lemma is a proven statement used to prove another statement. It means lemma क्या होता है कि जो ये एक ऑलरेडी प्रूवन स्टेटमेंट है, इसे हमें प्रूफ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, इसका यूज करके हम कोई दूसरे स्टेटमेंट को क्या करते हैं, प्रूफ करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, वी ऑलरेडी नोज दैट 2 divides every even number, so we don't need to prove that. We knows that 2 divides every even numbers. And see, if someone is asking whether 24 is divisible by 2 or not, so then what you have to say, as we know that 2 divides every even number and 24 is an even number, it means this will be divisible by 2 only. So it means lemma is what? Lemma is also a proven statement used to prove another statement. And what is algorithm? An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of प्रॉब्लम. मतलब क्या? एल्गोरिदम का मतलब होता है कि किसी भी क्वेश्चंस को वेल डिफाइंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करना. अगर उसमें डिफरेंट स्टेप हैं तो पहला स्टेप जो होगा वही होगा, फिर सेकेंड, देन थर्ड, देन फोर्थ, देन फिफ्थ. इट्स जस्ट लाइक इन क्लास 5th you have studied BOD mass. In BOD mass, firstly we are solving bracket. In bracket also what we are solving small bracket, then middle bracket, then big bracket. Thereafter what we are doing? Thereafter of, then so on, multiplication, division, whatever is there. So it is also like that. Here what we are doing, we are simply taking the steps of a well defined series of steps. So an algorithm is series of well defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के जो प्रॉपर स्टेप होते हैं उसको क्या बोला जाता है? एल्गोरिदम. उसको एल्गोरिदम बोला जाता है. So let us see what is Euclid division lemma. So first of all, the statement of Euclid division lemma. Who was the Euclid? He was a Greek mathematician. He gave one formula or you can say one statement that given positive integers a and b, अगर कोई दो इंटीजर जो कि पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है और कैसा इंटीजर होना चाहिए वो, सच दैट a must be greater than b, a must be greater than b, there exist another पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स q एंड r, अगर कोई a और b दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, ऐसे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हैं कि a इज ग्रेटर देन b, तो वहां क्या होगा, दो और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स आएंगे q और r, जो कौन से कंडीशन, किसी कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, एंड दैट कंडीशन इज व्हाट, a इक्वल टू बी क्यू प्लस r, a equal to bq plus r, and r must be greater than or equal to 0 and r must be less than b. So let us discuss. As you know, in small classes we have studied dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in small classes we have studied. So if we'll compare this division lemma with this formula, so let us see, a must be what, dividend, b must be divisor, q must be quotient and r must be remainder. So this is not a new thing for you, you have studied in previous classes also. For example, if suppose I am dividing 5 by 2, I am dividing 5 by 2, so 2 2s are 4 minus 1. So here if I'll say here 2 is what, this 5 is what, 5 is a, 2 is what, b, and this is what, q or small q, let small q, and this is what, r, this is what, r, and now you can see b is what, 2 and r is what, 1, it means r is less than b. If I'll divide 10 by 3 suppose, then 3 3s are 9, 1. Here also as you can see 3 is greater than 1 or b is greater than r, or you can say r is less than b. If I'll divide 18 by 7, then 7 2s are 14, here 4, again r, this is b, so again r is less than b. It means what, in any condition r must be less than b always. Remainder is always less than divisor, remainder is always less than divisor, but it can be 0. If suppose I am dividing 20 by 2, so as you know 2 1 are 2, cancel 0, 0 times 0, okay, so what will be the remainder, 0. It means r can be 0 also, or r can be, remainder can be 0 also, but it cannot exceed more than b, it cannot exceed more than divisor. So that's why r must be greater than or equal to 0 or less than b, less than b. So don't be confused. Now let us see Euclid division algorithm, Euclid division algorithm. So now we will see Euclid division algorithm. So what is a Euclid division algorithm? This is based on Euclid division lemma. This is based on Euclid division lemma. Actually Euclid division algorithm is used for finding out the SCF of two number. So that is what, let the two integers are a and b such that a must be greater than b, then apply the division lemma to find q and r, where a equal to bq plus r and where r must be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. मतलब क्या कि हम लोग को सबसे पहले q क्वोशिएंट और r फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, क्वोशिएंट और r फाइंड करना पड़ेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा, विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा. अगर हम जब q एंड r फाइंड करते हैं, क्वोशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर फाइंड करते हैं, एंड इफ r इज इक्वल टू 0, अगर रिमाइंडर जिस स्टेप पहले स्टेप पे 0 आ गया, then b is what, divisor, b is what, divisor is the SCF of a, and if r is not equal to 0, अगर r 0 नहीं आया, then apply division lemma to b and r. It means जो पहला स्टेप होगा a equal to b1 q1 plus r suppose, okay, so then if r1, r is not equal to 0, then what, this b will be here this will become dividend, and this r will become divisor. Okay, this r, whatever number is here, then again we have to find q2 and r2. Then this procedure will continue. Here I have written continue the process till the remainder is 0. मतलब हम लोग क्या करते जाएंगे, हर स्टेप्स में जो हमारा डिवाइजर होगा वो डिविडेंड बनता जाएगा, जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो क्या बनता जाएगा, डिवाइजर बनता जाएगा। कब तक, जब तक कि हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 ना हो जाए। और जिस स्टेज पे, जिस स्टेप पे हमारा रिमाइंडर या आर की वैल्यू 0 होगी, उस स्टेप का जो डिवाइजर होगा दैट विल बी एचसीएफ फॉर योर दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। सो this is enough for this video. This is enough for lemma algorithm, Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. In next video we are going to solve some questions based on this Euclid division lemma and algorithm for better understanding. So I hope you understand, and please do like and do subscribe this channel. Your like and subscribe makes me more energized to make new videos and teach you some more topics. So thank you.